Shining bright, the art of cleaning cymbals. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a unique and practical topic, cleaning cymbals. Whether you're a drummer, a band member, or just curious about maintaining musical instruments, understanding how to properly clean cymbals is essential. We'll explore what cymbals are, why they need cleaning, and the best methods to keep them shining and sounding great. Let's get started. Cymbals are a crucial part of a drum set, known for their brilliant shimmer and crash. They are made from various alloys, primarily bronze, and come in different types like hi-hats, rides, and crashes. Over time, cymbals collect fingerprints, dust, and oxidation, which can dull their shine and alter their sound. That's why regular cleaning is important to maintain their appearance and performance. It's not just about how you clean, but also when. Cleaning too often or too vigorously can harm the cymbal's natural patina, which actually contributes to its unique sound. Watch for signs like visible dirt or smudges, dullness or loss of shine, changes in sound quality. If you notice these signs, it's time for a cleanup. Before you start, gather the right materials to avoid any damage. Soft, lint-free cloths, mild, non-abrasive cymbal cleaner, warm water, gloves, to prevent further fingerprints. Remember, the goal is gentle care, not a harsh scrub down. Here's a step-by-step guide to effectively clean your cymbals. 1. Remove the cymbals from the drum set. 2. Wipe off loose dirt with a dry cloth. 3. Apply a small amount of cymbal cleaner on a cloth, not directly on the cymbal. 4. Gently wipe in a circular motion, focusing on areas with fingerprints and grime. 5. Rinse with warm water if the cleaner's instructions recommend it. 6. Dry thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Avoid harsh scrubbing, and never use abrasive cleaners or materials. Post-cleaning care is crucial. Store your cymbals in a dry, clean place. Regularly dust them to prevent buildup, and handle them with care during setup and performance. This preventive care will make your cleaning sessions less frequent and more effective. Cleaning your cymbals is a simple yet vital part of their maintenance, ensuring they look brilliant and sound crisp for every performance. We hope this guide helps you keep your cymbals in top condition, adding that perfect shine to your music. Thank you for watching, and may your cymbals always resonate with clarity and brilliance.